This is my first day on Beijing's streets. And I'm going to a weekend road trip into the mountains of the southwest of Beijing. I don't want to have mosquito bites even before I arrive. Got it! Yes! I will make a little break. I didn't arrive yet, but I am super hungry, so I will just eat something, have my dinner, and then I will continue.
It's 5 AM and I'm about to start. I want to do some great shots of the sunrise and I have been awake since 4:30. One additional battery must be enough for the morning session.
Right now I'm filming with my GoPro the first time-lapse sunrise of this beautiful mountain in my background. Well, I underestimated the time needed for the sun to conquer the mountain behind me. I guess it won't be a sunrise time-lapse, but maybe those clouds and the fog will give a nice picture anyway. I will just use the time, fly the drone and do some daily stuff like brushing my teeth and so on, cleaning myself a little bit since I slept in the car and I didn't use the toilet yet. Maybe I will have some snacks and... Hello, what do we have here? Okay. Just wait what will happen. Maybe I'm lucky and the sun will rise sooner than I expect, but it seems like it will need a lot more time, and also the fog and the clouds. I'm not sure when the sun will come through. It might need a long time, and I'm not planning to stay here for the whole morning. So I'm not planning to stay for the whole morning. I still have some other points, some other locations which I want to visit.
After waking up I already had a fast banana, but now it's breakfast time. Choco croissant.
The next stop is waiting. By the way, build phrases of Chinese characters can be summarized in 3 groups. Let's call them building characters, combined characters and added characters. Building characters are the most common radicals, and the Chinese language consists of around 200 plus minus 20 radicals. Combined characters are combined building characters into one single character. And added characters are more than one character together, where the meaning of the single characters used change. Let's take some examples for those groups. First, the building characters. The character for tree is one of those building characters, mu. It is used as a single character for tree or wooden. And as a combined character you take 2 trees together into one character and get ning, and this means woods. If we now take mu, man, this is an added character and means wooden door. Mu is wood, door is man, wooden door. Mu, man. This sounds pretty simple, but it isn't always that simple. But enough for today. This was the first part of the weekend trip to the FengShan Geopark. Part 2 follows next week.